finish out the rest of lesson 4.2 on one-step inequalities, we're going to look at these last two word problems. Number 7, a small airplane can hold 44 passengers. And it says 15 passengers board the plane. Write and solve an inequality that represents the additional number of passengers that can board the plane. So we already have 15. Plus we want to put more people, but we don't know how many people. So let's use P for passengers. So we're going to add some more passengers. But whatever that number is, this together has to stay less than or equal to, because it says it can hold 44. So it can hold 44 people, or it can hold 43, 42, 41, but it cannot hold 45, 46, 47. So it has to be less than, but it could also be equal to 44. 44 would be like a full plane. Any less than that, there could be empty seats. It says and solves. Now we're going to do minus 15 on both sides. Make that 0. So the number of passengers we can add is less than or equal to, let's see, that's 39, 29. So we can fit 29 or less passengers on that plane still. So can 30 passengers board the plane? Well, I can plug it in one of two places. So we can plug it in here and make it easy. 30 is less than or equal to 29. No. We could have also plugged it in here. So 15 plus 30, is that less than or equal to 44? That'd be 45. 45 is not less than or equal to 44. So either way you want to plug it in, it's not going to be a true statement. So can 30 more people join? No. Let's see, because that would be one too many people. Either look here, we have 45, we can only have 44, or we have 30 compared to 29. So either way, it's one more. That would be one extra person. Or you could say no, because 30 is greater than 29. So if this makes a false statement, then it's not true. Last one. You can spend $35 on a shopping trip. So I have $35. I can spend $35, or I can choose to spend less than that and save some money. But I can't spend any more than I have. So that means I know I'm going to have less than or equal to 35. You went to buy a shirt that cost $14. Write and solve an inequality, how much money you could have left over. So, shirt has $14, plus I can spend more. So let's use M for money, plus however much money my other items are going to cost. But whatever that is, it has to be less than, or it could actually equal exactly the $35 that I have. We just can't spend more money than we have. Okay, it says write and solve, so I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. So the amount of money I can spend has to be less than or equal to 35 minus 14, so that's 21. So I can spend $21 or less for the rest of my clothes. Okay, part B. You notice that the shirt is on sale for 30% off. How does this change inequality? Well, that's going to change that 14. If it's on sale, it doesn't cost $14 anymore. So let's do some calculations on that. You got to remember all the way back to Unit 1 on percents. So 30% is going to be 0.30, because we moved the decimal 2 places. And I want 30% of $14. So of means times. I'm going to multiply by 14. So I want 30%, which is 0.3 or 0.30, times it by the $14 that those pants cost, or that shirt cost, sorry. I get 4.2. Because we're dealing with money, I'm going to go ahead and add the zeros to the nearest penny. That means if it's 30% off, that means I'm taking off $4.20 off of the price. So if it was $14, I'm saving or taking off $4.20. So it was 14, saved $4.20. So we are paying $9.80, or 9.8. So then our new inequality would be, instead of 14, 9.8 or 9.80, plus some more money has to be less than or equal to 35. So it changed our value there. It's no longer $14 that we already spent. And then C, do you have enough money to buy the shirt that is on sale? So we know we want the sale price. We want that $9.80 and a pair of pants. So then let's check. So I've got $9.80 plus 23 more dollars. So basically I'm replacing this M here with the $23 I want to spend. Will that stay less than or equal to the $35 that I have to spend? So we're taking 9.80 plus the $23. That gives me $32.80. Is that less than or equal to 35? Yes, it is. So will I have enough money? Yes. Because one way I can give is I can say because $32.80 is less than $35. Or I can say yes because I have money left over. So I could take the $35, take away the $32.80 that my clothes cost, and that means I have $2.20 left over. So that could be another reason I can give is yes, because I would have $2.20 left over. And then again, remember, anything off to the left, you want to make notes. Maybe you want to remind yourself on how to do the percent off stuff. Anything else you want to make notes on, do that for yourself for now or for in a week from now to remind yourself.